Welcome to our state-of-the-art restoration facility. Today, a legendary Bugatti. Once majestic, now ravaged by rust and neglect, will undergo a transformation. Watch as a team of expert craftsmen brings this automotive icon back to life.
Disassembly is the foundation of any restoration. By taking the car apart, the team gains access to hidden damage and ensures that every component will return to its precise place during reassembly. Organization and attention to detail.
Bodywork transforms rusted steel into a flawless canvas. Multiple layers of primer, paint, and protective clear coat ensure a mirror-like finish.
Luxury is not only about the exterior. Leather, wood, and metal are restored or replaced with expert precision. Every stitch, every trim detail combines craftsmanship and comfort, creating an interior worthy of a Bugatti. After weeks of meticulous work, every part comes together. Alignment, torque, and polish are checked carefully. This is not just a restoration, it's a revival, turning a neglected classic into a flawless luxury masterpiece. From rusted relic to luxurious masterpiece, this Bugatti stands as a testament to craftsmanship, precision, and patience. Every detail tells a story of revival, turning a forgotten icon into a modern marvel. A restoration of this level requires the right tools, expert skills, and patience. From rust removal to interior finishing, every step matters. For those inspired to restore,